Okay, Taylor-tots, I didn't edit that out, okay? So I wanted you all to see what a cute dinner in El Paso is, because last night was not the tea. Let's go. Hey Taylor-tots, welcome back to Justice is Served. So we've got the fabulous Dior Divas here. Oh yeah. So we are at, what is this place called?
Park Tavern.
Park Tavern. Ooh, hold it up high, Mary. Ooh, girl. Okay, so all my life I had to fight, and until you do this light by me, every foundation you buy is gonna turn orange. But so Flitter, can you please tell us what games that you stream and have all the fabulous couples throwing all of their paychecks at you?
Sea of Thieves.
Okay, well I didn't mean for you just to answer and be done. Like, no. So if y'all do not have, if you do not have, what is it called that you stream on?
Twitch.
Twitch. If you don't have Twitch, download it. Go on Flitter.
133.
I was going to say 713. 133. Girl, you don't even know. She is absolutely amazing. She has a super cute cat called Mama Cat. And then she has these emotes that is the wine. This is the same individual that was at the restaurant with me last night as well, where the food took 3 days and tasted like it had been cooked 4 days ago. And then the server was still trying to find our food at Target, girl, because she left and it would take forever to come back. But you know what? The good thing is that we're at Park Tavern to have some really good food. The appetizers already came out. We got a Caesar salad. Of course, you know, I'm only eating air these days because I'm trying to be a petite woman. If you have followed me for quite some time on Instagram, this is the Jesus of skincare. This is Andre. So Andre has been wearing it out.
What?
I said you've been wearing it out.
It's not bad. Hi, everybody.
She loves a reflection as much as I do. No tea, no shade, girl. It's okay. If you ever want a really good facial, you have to buy things, but he will do the most amazing facial you'll ever get in your life. You cannot take him home, so don't even ask. Absolutely amazing.
Fall 2022, Andre Pocket's coming out.
I know. This individual came with us to work Sephora events this week. This is Amy Cisse. Make sure you follow her on Instagram and on YouTube. She's absolutely amazing. She is a Sephora diva, so she came here to rock it out in El Paso Sephora as well. So go on and give her a like, a share, a thumbs up, but don't give her too much. She's got a big ass head already.
True story.
True story, girl. Mm-hmm. She thinks she's something with his hair, but what she didn't know is she took it out of my purse. But, and then of course another Sephora diva, Miss Layla. She's like, I ain't got nothing to say, thank you. She always looks this flawless, I'm telling you now. Her makeup always looks this on point. Okay, so this is Christine. This is the other half of me for Houston.
The better half.
That's a lie. She says this all the time and nobody ever believes her. So I just want you to know, she invented the reverse cat eye. She really did. It's so funny. So I was like, oh, you do the reverse cat eye? And she goes, what's that? And so I showed her my tutorial and she goes, oh, I've been doing that for like years. And I was like, when bell bottoms were a hit. No. She's like, shady bitch. No. So Christine's awesome. She introduced me to eating at Tommy Bahama in the Woodlands, and I hate it eating there. I hate eating there. Yeah, Thursday night, girl. Swingers night. And I'm not talking about at the playground, girl. It's a playground for swingers, but not the way that you're thinking. Well, no, exactly the way you're thinking, actually. But she has this drink called the Coconut Cloud. If you want to eat your drink, it's really good because it has toasted coconut on the top. You have one, it gets you where you need to be. Red face and all. And then you just sip after that. But she has...
One and done.
Well, I don't know about done, girl.
Okay.
Well, I don't know about done. But yeah, so she's in this new relationship. I don't know if she's allowed to yet because I haven't accepted him yet because he wouldn't drink with us the time that I was out there last time. And I told her, I said, you don't understand how this works around gay people. Like, you don't get to, like, have just your life. Like, we have to approve. Like, we have to approve. Like, it's part of our life. This is a relationship here. And I know this ponytail is tight, but I think you're losing some circulation because I don't know why you didn't call me and ask first.
Oh, I don't know why. I don't need permission.
Girl, bye.
Yeah.
Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna take a video of the food. There's no music playing, so it's good, so I don't have to worry about monetization being an issue. But the food here is gonna be awesome. We've been seeing some plates come out and it looks absolutely amazing. The server here is awesome. She is on point. So I will see you guys soon so you can see the food. I want you to see what everybody ordered. I didn't show the appetizers because, girl, we were hungry. We didn't have time for that. We did not have time for that. I hope your day's been awesome so far, so I will come back when the food is here. All right, guys, see you soon. All right, Taylor-tots, I got salmon with a diet mashed potato and a diet macaroni and cheese. Jesus just rolled his eyes at me. I feel like I'm fangirling right now. You have no idea. What did you get, girl?
Oh my gosh, linguine and shrimp, amazing.
I would do shrimps. Okay. What did you get, Flitters?
Skirt steak, medium rare.
What's your size, Flirtatious?
I got spicy green beans and potatoes.
Yo. Jesus of skincare. I gotta put the whole thing in it because she ain't really Jesus, girl. She got more power than him. She drives a pink Corvette too, in case you didn't know.
Burger, thanks. Let's get to the point, shall we?
Yes, and fries. Papa's fritas. Yeah. So just so you know, that's the noise I make when I picked them up at the airport.
Wow.
Amy.
Yeah.
Amy.
I don't know what I have, but it's something.
I don't know.
Guys, is there anything else I can get?
A new attitude for Amy.
Amy, get a new attitude. No, she's fabulous. You stay fabulous.
That's my hair. Don't even tell her she looks good. Okay, look, Amy, what did you get?
Oh,
No, you gotta say it country like me. Elk. Elk. She got potatoes and some Brussels sprouts with feta. He already ate all of his, as you can tell it's gone. What did you have?
Rabbit pellet.
In case you didn't know, this is Lee. This is Ming Lee. Look at her, that petite bite. Layla, what did you get, girl? They said you're being quiet, girl. You better speak up. Yeah, she got lamb shanks, right?
No, it's not. It's just lamb rack.
Oh, lamb rack, gotcha. Okay, guys, we're gonna eat. I'm gonna take my first bite with you because I feel like that is something that you deserve. I wanna take a bite of the salmon and see how good it is together because it is in a super fabulous glaze.
Oh my god, this skirt steak is so
The presentation is beautiful. Okay, y'all ready? All right, I'm gonna let you have the first bite. Okay, girl, are you full? That's all you're getting. All right, here we go. I gotta go. This is good as hell. Okay, bye, girl. Bye. Girl, look at this cheesecake. I am not even gonna eat any of it.
lies.
That is a lie and a deceit. Ah! If you just got sick, that means it's not for you. Look, a picture of a picture. You're terrible. It's terrible. You're terrible. Sir. Your photo is terrible.
Whatever.
Your screen is terrible. Girl, get a new damn phone. Why is that thing cracked?
It's not crack.
Oh, it was your nails.
I cannot believe you, evil.
For Lee's dessert,
I don't share my food at all. I don't like it. I would give you some, but I don't want people eating off my plate.
I told Amy she needs to give me her hair. She has real hair. Like, mine is synthetic.
It's like 10 years old.
It's what? She said it's 10-inch long. Oh, 10 days old. 10 years old? And you won't even let me have it? She won't let me have any hair. I swear, girl, when you said 10-inch, I was like, that is a lie. That is a lie. And we're not going to tell you how I know.
Bread pudding.
Look at this bread pudding.
Looks so yummy with the ice cream on the top.
Look at it. Did anybody else want something different? Tired of all this damn bread pudding on this table. Oh, look. That's a big ass churro.
Guys, is there anything else I can get for you at the moment?
Another stomach.
Oh, good,
I
good.
need another stomach.
You guys enjoy.
but not attached to my own body. Okay, guys. We're gonna do an outro when we get out of this bitch because I want to see if everybody is able to walk. Okay. All right. So we could have sat outside for this. So what did y'all think? Did you like it? That was a yes. Her eyebrow didn't even move, and that's because of the Botox. Girl, they're not even coming. Mira. Girl, they ain't even moving. They're so full they can't move.
We work like 11 to 7.
How was your
and then
food?
we
Amazing.
came here
Off
and
the
we're
chain.
doing
Come back
laundry,
here?
and now I gotta go study and answer your emails and then do it all again tomorrow.
That sounds
the
like
food good?
it's Friday, so at least
She's
we
still
can go
eating?
out, maybe.
No, because then we have to have the team dinner. Yeah.
How was the food?
Best food ever.
Would you flit your ass back over here and eat again?
100%.
She bought some Dior sandals. Her sister called her ghetto, and she said,
She
"You know
did.
what?" And then she cut her with her nails. Her pinky nail is actually a dagger. No.
Am I gonna be famous?
She's like, "Girl, I can't."
We should fall.
I don't have any social media. I
Oh.
am completely off the grid. It's fun like that. Oh, it's fun that way. Nobody knows what I'm doing. I'm gonna be leaving here soon. I got a big girl job, so yeah.
Yes.
So I'll be leaving the restaurants and finally. I got a medical device sales job.
That's exciting.
So I get to use my degree, so I'm pretty excited.
I was wondering when you said a big girl job. I was like, are you gonna be like doing mukbangs and stuff like that,
Exactly.
eating like an eating session?
Exactly. That's exactly what I'm doing.
I mean,
Period.
she's like, if you need a stethoscope. Bye, thank you. What y'all waiting on? They don't need anything. Jesus is listening to songs about him. Not all the little children. Purell, in case you need it. Look how tall Amy is. She's like a giraffe. I live. That's why I like her so much. She's like a giraffe. Wait, I need a thumbnail.
You want a picture?
Yeah, I need a thumbnail. Go out in the road.
No, I'll take a picture.
No, I'm doing it. I'm recording right now, Shugs. I need it on here because I'm taking it on here. Thanks, love you.
Do you know it's better for you to take
I don't care.
Yeah.
Hiya.
Your camera is
Are you
not
gonna be
clean,
in?
baby.
It is recording.
I know, but I'm gonna have to clean it.
But you ain't gotta do all that because I'm still recording all of it.
Okay. You want the sign on it?
Yeah.
Okay, if I die, it's you.
Okay.
Hiya.
Hang on, listen.
If I die,
All right. We're gonna hop off of here. We're gonna walk back. I'm so glad you Taylor-tots were here. We will see what happens tomorrow. Oh. Bye, Shugs. Everybody say bye to Jesus. All right, are y'all gonna say bye with me? Okay. Taylor-tots. Oh no, I can't. Little Latin queens running around. Okay, so we're gonna say, you ain't gonna say shit. You're just gonna blow a kiss, okay? All right, Taylor-tots, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and on 3, we're gonna blow the kiss. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mwah.